The first question is yellow team. In which year Allama Iqbal joined government college? Yellow team. Government college Lahore. The answer is right, so there must be clap for yellow team. Okay, now I have a question for green team. Green team, which fruit Iqbal loved? Yes, you can answer. Oh, very good. Answer is right, so there must be clap for green team also. Okay, now next question I want to ask from red team. The question is, what is the mother tongue of Iqbal?
Punjabi.
Very good. There must be clap for red team also. Okay, now next question again from yellow team. Yellow team, how many sisters for Allama Iqbal?
4.
Very good. Okay, now instead of green team. Green team, who gave the name Muhammad Iqbal? His mother. Very good. There must be clap for green house. Okay, I have next question for red team. Yes, red team. Which bird was named by Iqbal? Which bird was named by Iqbal Owl? What name has given? Raat ka Shabaz. Very good. There must be clap for this team. Okay, next question from yellow team again. Yes, yellow team. Who was the family doctor of Allama Iqbal? Very good. Yes, green team. What is the name of Iqbal's grandfather? Sheikh Rafiq. Very good. Yes, next question from red team. Red team, how many marriages of Iqbal? Very good. They have prepared well. बहुत अच्छे से याद करके आए हैं सब लोग. इकबाल की लाइफ के बारे में बहुत अच्छे से इन्होंने याद किया. Yes, बेटे. Next question from yellow team. Who was the primary teacher of Allama Iqbal? Very good. Just keep quiet and listen to their voice carefully. Okay, next team. The next question from green team. Where was Allama Iqbal born? And what is it? Okay. Okay, next question from red team. Yes, there must be clap for green house. Yes, red house. Which dress Allama Iqbal used to wear in home? Shalwar kameez. Very good. Okay, now we have to ask last question from the first round. Yes, from yellow house. Yellow house. Which dress? Why was called Allama?
Because of his to call him Allama.
Very good. Answer is right. Now I have a question for green team. Yes, green team. What was Iqbal's elder brother name? Sheikh Ata Muhammad. Very good. Very nice. Yes, there must be clap for this team. Yes, today I have a last question for you. What was Allama Iqbal's father's name? Oh, there must be clap for this team also. And there is no winner in this round. So we will start second round and there will be three questions asked from each team. So let's start second round. Yes, question from yellow team. Yes, beta. In which language was Javed Nama published? Very good. There must be clap for yellow team, yellow house. Yes, now I want to ask from green house. Yes, beta. Allama Iqbal started with which form of poetry? Traditional poetry. Yes, very good. Yes, now next question. When did Allama Iqbal give his famous sermon?
1930.
Very good. Excellent. There must be claps. Okay, now I have a next question for yellow team. When did Iqbal left his advocacy?
1934.
1934. Yes, very good. is right, so there must be claps for this house also. Question of round 2. Yellow team, when did Allama Iqbal die?
1938.
Very good. 21st of 1938. There must be clap for yellow house. Okay, now I have a question for green house. On which day Allama Iqbal died? On Thursday or Friday? Are you sure? It was Thursday?
Yes.
Okay, this answer is right. There must be clap for this house also. Okay, then now I have a question for red team. At what age Iqbal died? What was the age of Iqbal? 60 years. Again, this round is ending, but there is nowhere. There must be claps for all teams. They have prepared well. Okay, now we are starting last round.
I will ask the question and guess who will first, and you will check who is the
Whose
first one.
team? Which team? Yes.
Yellow.
Okay, wait a minute, boys.
Okay, listen.
So, and the question is,
Yes.
what did Maulvi Mir Hassan teach Iqbal?